In this video, I will show you how you can trade on Exness Web Terminal. So it's really easy to do it. Firstly, you need to make sure you're assigned to your Exness account. And then on the left side, you want to choose Trading, then My Accounts. And from here, you want to choose your account on which you want to trade. So you can either choose from Demo or Real. And if you don't have account, you can click on Open Account. And from here, you can choose account type. Then click continue and you can create a new demo account or new real account. You want to choose currency in which you want to trade. So I want to trade in euros. So I'm going to select euros. You can set starting balance. So let's say I want to start with 10K on the demo account. You can also choose nickname. So let's say test demo. Here you can set your max leverage. You can also add custom leverage. So let's say I want to have this 1 to 100. Then make sure MT5 is selected because there is this Exness terminal. So make sure MT5 is selected and then you just want to set your trading password. So I'm gonna quickly select my password, then click on create account. And now once your account is created, you just want to click on this yellow trade button next to your account. And you can also choose MetaTrader 5 if you want to trade on MetaTrader 5, but I will show you how you can trade on Exness Terminal. So click on Exness Terminal and this will open this terminal where you can start trading. So firstly, you can find your instrument for which you want to trade. So you can click on this plus button and you can search for, so let's say Bitcoin, and you can choose from many different options. So I will choose basic Bitcoin V versus USD dollar. And then on the right side, you can place trade or you can also sell. So you can choose from a market or pending order and click on buy. And now you just want to select the volume. So if you're a beginner, just keep it on 0.01 because this is really small trade and you are not risking much. But if you set it to, let's say 0.10 or even 1, then it's really risky. So I would not recommend it because you can lose a lot of money. So make sure to set it on 0.01 and then you can also set take profit. So this will basically automatically close the trade when this price is reached. You can also make it higher or lower. And you can also set stop loss. So here you can set your loss, which you can afford. So I'm gonna quickly select, let's say this one, and I'm gonna make this higher. And then click on confirm. And this will place your position. And position was automatically closed because it reached the price. And now you can see it here in closed positions. So let's say I'm gonna make another one without this take profit and stop loss. Just click on confirm by 001 lots. And now you can see I have this opened position. You can see here profit and loss ratio. So I'm currently in loss like 20 cents. You can also see open time, current price, open price, and many different options. And now let's say if you want to close this trade, you just want to click on this X next to it, which says close position, and this will close your trade. So as you can see, if I open closed, you can see on this trade I'm minus 27 cents. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.